We're going to talk about taking a number away from itself. If I have 4, I take away 4. How many are left? If I have 3, I take away 3. How many are left? I can do it on a mat. I have fish, 2 fish, and they're swimming along. And they swim off. How many are left? If I have 4 fish, they're all swimming. They swim away. How many are left? Right, so I would use tin frames. I would use story mats. I would use a wreck and wreck. I had 5, took 5 away. I had 10, took 10 away. Again, concrete, pictorial, abstract. I would do it on the wreck and wreck, draw it out on the wreck and wreck. I would do it on a story mat, draw pictures of it. I would do it on a tin frame and then draw pictures. I'd laminate this and then do it physically and then draw it and then cross them out. Concrete, pictorial, abstract. Concrete, pictorial, abstract. That's taking a number away from itself, a concept that all your students should understand.